Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to scan for harmful apps with Google Play Protect in Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra. So before starting the video, don't forget to subscribe the channel and also press the bell icon. So first of all, open settings. Now in settings, scroll down and here click on security and privacy. Now in security and privacy, click on app security and then click on Google Play Protect. Now to scan for harmful apps with Google Play Protect, click on scan option here and then it will start scanning, and after scanning it will show you the results immediately. So that's how you can scan for harmful apps with Google Play Protect in Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra. So I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching.